Morning student, today we will discuss generations of computer and types of computer. Evolutions of computer can be classified into different generations on the basis of size, storage capacity and devices used by them. 1940 to 50 is the first generation time period. 1956 to 63 is the second generation of time period. 1964 to 71 is the third generation time period. 1972 to present is the fourth generation time period. Present and beyond is the fifth generation time period. First generation computer use vacuum tubes. Computers are very large in size and costly. Computers generate a lot of heat. Due to the large size, these computers are not portable. Example UNIVAC, ENIAC, etc. Discuss about second generations of computer. Second generations of computer use transistor technology. These computers produce less heat and less in size as compared to first generations of computer. Punched card and paper tapes are used for input data. Magnetic tapes are used for data storage. COBOL, BASIC, PL1 are the languages used by the second generations of computer. Example of second generations computer are IBM 1400, 700 series and IBM 350. Generations computer. Computers are produce less heat and less in size as compared to first and second generations of computer. Perform calculations in nanosecond. Computers are low cost and good storage. It is used for input data. Computers use monitor to display output. Examples are Altair, IBM 360. Now we will discuss about fourth generations of computer. Generations of computer use keyboard, mouse, scanner for input data. Computers use monitor, printer, speaker for output data. Disk with higher storage capacity used for data storing. These computers use microprocessor technology. Computers are available in small in size and very low cost. These are more reliable and perform calculations in picosecond. We use four generations of computer. Fifth generations computer. Computers use artificial intelligence for technology. Computers to handle artificial intelligence use optical fiber technology. Main aim of fifth generation computing is to develop computers that are respond to surrounding using different types of sensors and capable of learning. For example, robotics. Now we will discuss about types of computer. Computers are classified into different types on the basis of size, speed, storage capacity and cost. Type is microcomputer. These computers are available small in size and low cost. Computers are mostly used in home, school, offices, shops, bank, etc. for personal use. Computers are further divided into three types. Type is desktop. It is fit on top of desk. It has different part: monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Part is laptop. We can carry it from one place to other. Computers are small in size and battery operated. Third type is tablet or palm top. They are very small in size and lighter than laptop. Type of computer is mainframe computers. Computers are designed to tackle large amount of data. These computers are very large in size. These are expensive and used by large organizations. Computers are very large and huge processing speed. Computers are mainly used for weather forecasting, space research and satellite control, etc. Example of supercomputers are Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, etc. Thanks for watching. Next video we will discuss second